I'm Rachel and I work in Julian Wadden Property Management. Today I'm going to talk you through how to report a maintenance issue if you live in a Julian Wadden managed property.
If you're currently renting a property managed by Julian Wadden and you are experiencing a maintenance issue, you can report this to us by visiting www.julianwadden.co.uk. From the menu bar, you can then select Fault Reporting, which will take you through to the FixFlo tab. As you can see, there are several items which can be selected in relation to maintenance. Once you find the item which is most relevant to the issue you're experiencing, click the image in question. You can then select through these images and select items that are most relevant to yourself. In this instance, we're having an issue with the bath plug hole and this is currently blocked. It then gives you the option to add additional notes. For example, the plug hole is currently blocked and explaining that you have already tried to resolve this yourself. Once clicking next, this gives you the option to then upload up to 5 images to show ourselves at Property Management the issue you're currently experiencing. Once completed, you can then follow through the additional tabs to fill in your address, contact details and confirm and send this to us. This will be picked up by our Property Management team and who will contact you in due course.